Hi everybody, John back with a surprise video on how to. I'm gonna try something here. I'm a contractor, love motorcycles. Again, watching my other videos, you guys know I love life. So I have a ManFrotto because I'm trying to up my game for the more important videos. And this ManFrotto TwistGrip, they have a problem. The fault in them is that this little joint, this mitered joint, the swivel's really loose. So once you mount it on the tripod, you can see it still wobbles. And that was a disappointment that I found when I just got it. I thought, man, this thing is really loose. So here's what I'm gonna do. And I just thought about doing this. I don't know if it's gonna work. We'll see, and you're gonna have to watch my next video. Sorry about that. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to just put a little bit of an adhesive, anything really, to tighten up the gap here, because you can't tighten it on this ManFrotto. There's no way to tighten up this joint. So when it's like this, it's pretty good. But then once you swivel it to a 90 degrees. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna glue it. Okay, now you could use caulking. I'm gonna use some medium black ABS cement that I have because I'm Italian. This is Italian. And whatever black shows, it's gonna show black instead of something like clear or whatnot. You could probably use a super glue or something. You can use some sort of a contact cement, all right, which I was gonna use because of the applicator that just came off the cap. Okay, hopefully you guys could see that. But I'm gonna use the medium black, okay, ABS cement. And then I'm just gonna use one of these disinfectant wipes. All right, I should use gloves. I'm trying to keep my hands clean. Anyway, so that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna take this ABS cement. Let's see, I don't even know if this is gonna work, okay? I have a feeling it will. I'm gonna take a real small applicator here because I don't wanna ruin this, all right? You probably don't need a whole lot, okay? Because what you're trying to do is you're just trying to put enough material on there to close the gap, okay? So there's one side. Hopefully you guys can see that, all right? So I'm gonna take the wet nap, wet wipe, whatever they are, butt wipes, okay? And we'll see on the next video if this works, okay? And I don't know. I have a feeling, because I'm a wise guy, that it's gonna work. All right. Okay, that's that side. So hopefully you guys can see this, because there ain't no way I'm gonna do it again. I'm not gonna be able to. So I'm gonna put a little dash there, all right? All right, now if you spin that through, okay, put some on the other side, all right? Again, you could probably use contact cement, caulking, leftover caulking, if you have a colored caulking. Okay, so there it is, folks. That part is done. Now the rest would be just cleaning up, all aesthetics at this point, all right? I'm gonna put this down like that so I can get a better clean on it. I'm surprised, boy, I'm having a heck of a time cleaning that off. I thought that would be a piece of cake, huh? Maybe it's eating the, it may be eating the, which I'd be surprised that it's actually eating the finish, but oh well. I mean, at that point, who cares? It's a tool, right? Even as fanatical as I am. Okay, so, because I'm gonna do a lot of how-to videos, all right? So, let's see what happens with this, you guys, all right? Now, it still opens and closes, okay? I'm gonna wait a while here, okay? All right, so that tightens it up, so it's still loose, so you can slide it in and out, close it, all right? You guys can see that. Still opens and closes, all right? So we've gotten that far. I just don't know why. The finish, okay. Okay, it's coming off now. I was gonna say, man, that's pretty weird if it could eat the paint. Oh, looks like it kind of did over here. Unless that came from something else. But let's see what happens, all right? There it is with using an ABS glue. It still opens and closes. Let's see how it works when it dries, okay, you guys? So that's it. That's for the ManFrotto, or what is it? ManFrotto, made in Italy. I guess they make really good products, right? Let's see if this is a fix for this swivel problem. I'm gonna say yeah, but we'll find out. Watch my next video. It's gonna be real brief, okay? Thank you.